Transforming a plain sewer cover into a durable and visually appealing feature is possible with the right stone installation techniques. In this detailed guide, we walk you through the entire process of installing stone on a sewer cover, combining both practicality and aesthetics. From the initial preparation to the final polish, every step is carefully demonstrated to ensure a strong, weather-resistant, and perfectly finished result. We begin by inspecting the sewer cover's surface, making sure it's clean, stable, and ready for installation. Proper preparation is essential to guarantee a lasting bond between the stone and the base. You'll learn how to select the right type of stone that offers both durability and an attractive finish, taking into account factors like thickness, texture, and resistance to moisture. Next, we cover the correct adhesive application techniques to ensure the stone stays securely in place, even under heavy use and exposure to outdoor elements. We explain how to position each piece with precision, maintain consistent spacing, and create clean joints for a neat appearance. For irregularly shaped covers, you'll see methods for cutting and shaping the stone to achieve a perfect fit without compromising the design. Once the stones are laid, we move on to grouting and sealing, two crucial steps that protect the installation from water infiltration, staining, and wear over time. The sealing process not only enhances the stone's natural colors but also provides a protective layer against the effects of rain, sun, and daily use. Finally, we guide you through the finishing touches, cleaning the surface, checking alignment, and making sure every edge is smooth and safe. The end result is a sewer cover that blends seamlessly into its surroundings, adding charm and durability to an otherwise overlooked feature. This project proves that even the most functional parts of a property can be elevated into something stylish and long-lasting when approached with care, skill, and attention to detail. In this second and extended part of the guide, we dive even deeper into the techniques and considerations that turn a simple sewer cover into a long-lasting, beautifully crafted element of your outdoor space. This is where the combination of craftsmanship, patience, and technical know-how truly comes together. We start by emphasizing the importance of foundation stability. Before placing any stone, the sewer cover's base must be assessed for levelness, structural integrity, and load-bearing capacity. Any uneven areas are corrected using leveling compounds or cement, ensuring a flawless foundation that will support the stone for decades without shifting or cracking. Next, we focus on stone selection in greater detail. For outdoor sewer covers, it's crucial to choose stones with high resistance to moisture, freeze-thaw cycles, and abrasion. Stones like granite, basalt, or certain types of dense limestone are ideal because they can withstand constant exposure to water and weather. This part also covers aesthetic choices, how to match the stone's color and texture with the surrounding pavement, landscaping, or driveway to create visual harmony. The adhesive stage is explored with precision tips on mixing ratios, application methods, and ensuring full coverage under each piece to prevent hollow spots that could lead to breakage. You'll see the importance of pressing each stone firmly into place, using spacers to maintain uniform gaps, and frequently checking alignment from multiple angles for a perfectly balanced layout. Cutting and shaping stones is given special attention here. Sewer covers often have unique shapes, hinge mechanisms, or access points that require custom cuts. We demonstrate how to use angle grinders, wet saws, and polishing pads to shape the stone without causing chipping or compromising its strength. Every cut is measured twice, and test-fitted before final installation, ensuring an exact fit. Grouting is approached as both a structural and aesthetic step. The grout not only locks the stones together but also provides a water-resistant barrier. We explain how to choose the right grout color to complement the stone, and how to apply it neatly so that it enhances the design rather than distracting from it. Finally, we highlight advanced sealing techniques, including multiple coat applications, curing times, and specialized sealants that offer UV protection in addition to moisture resistance. The sealing process brings out the depth and richness of the stone's natural tones, giving it a luxurious finish while fortifying it against environmental stress. By the end of this phase, the sewer cover is no longer just a functional necessity, it becomes a discreet yet elegant feature that contributes to the overall beauty and sophistication of its surroundings. This part reinforces the idea that with the right approach, even the most utilitarian elements can be transformed into long-lasting works of craftsmanship. In this third part of the guide, we focus on the refinement, final detailing, and the professional finishing touches that make the stone installation on a sewer cover truly stand out. This is the stage where patience and precision come together to transform the project from a functional upgrade into an architectural detail worthy of admiration. We begin by revisiting each stone after installation to ensure perfect alignment and secure adhesion. Even the smallest adjustments, tapping a stone slightly into place or realigning a joint, can make a big difference in the final appearance. At this point, we also inspect the grout lines, ensuring they are evenly filled, smooth, and free of excess material that could detract from the clean look. Edge finishing takes center stage here. The edges of the sewer cover are often the most visible and vulnerable areas, so they must be smoothed, leveled, and reinforced for both safety and durability. Special tools and polishing pads are used to create a consistent edge that blends seamlessly with surrounding surfaces, whether it's concrete, tile, or natural ground. We also give attention to the functional aspects of the cover. If the sewer cover is designed to be lifted or removed, we ensure the stone placement and adhesive do not interfere with its operation. Strategic gaps or custom-cut edges may be added to allow for easy handling while maintaining a polished appearance. At this stage, cleaning becomes more than just wiping away dust. It's a detailed process of removing all traces of construction residue, adhesive smears, or grout haze from the stone's surface. Specialized stone-safe cleaners are used to preserve the material's natural integrity while restoring its full visual impact. Finally, we perform a second round of sealing, particularly on the edges and grout lines, to reinforce the waterproofing and extend the stone's lifespan. This extra protection ensures that the sewer cover will resist weathering, stains, and surface degradation over the years. The result at the end of Part 3 is a perfectly leveled, securely bonded, and beautifully finished sewer cover that blends into its surroundings while adding a subtle touch of elegance. It is no longer just a maintenance point, it becomes a discreet yet refined feature that enhances the overall look of the space. The craftsmanship here speaks for itself: clean lines, flawless joints, and a finish that stands the test of time. In this fourth part, we step into the final stages of perfection, where the stone-covered sewer cover evolves from a well-executed installation into a piece of craftsmanship that could easily pass as a designed element of the surrounding landscape. This phase is all about enhancing durability, maximizing visual appeal, and ensuring the piece blends naturally into its environment while maintaining full functionality. We begin with a thorough structural inspection, testing the stability of each stone by applying controlled pressure in different directions. Any slight looseness is addressed immediately to avoid future damage. The grout joints are rechecked, and if needed, additional material is applied to fill micro gaps that may have formed during the curing process. This careful reinforcement guarantees a watertight and secure bond that will endure heavy use, rain, and seasonal temperature shifts. Next, we turn our attention to aesthetic blending. A sewer cover should not look like an afterthought, it should feel like it belongs to the space. To achieve this, we evaluate the surrounding textures, colors, and patterns, and make subtle adjustments so that the cover harmonizes with nearby paving, pathways, or garden features. Sometimes, this means polishing certain areas to match the sheen of adjacent surfaces, or lightly roughening others to mimic the texture of surrounding stonework. We also focus on advanced sealing techniques in this stage. Instead of applying sealant in a single coat, we use a layered method. The first coat penetrates deeply for structural protection, and the second coat builds a shield against staining and UV damage. In some cases, a final enhancing sealer is applied to intensify the stone's natural color variations,